Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a pallet stretch wrapper, of course, by Liberty Industries. It's their Series 500 Plus model. Naturally, when these get transported, we usually have to take the column off, so we've got to put it back together. And we're going to start the system and starts moving the table like most of these to activate a switch inside the carrier for the film. You have to have stretch wrap and a pallet to test it. Has a forklift lifting pockets, of course. Little cover here for the drive for the turntable, of course. Everything's on 110 volt. Very nice feature they do have in this if you happen to get through a tall doorway. You see a hinge at the bottom there. You can unbolt it and tilt it forward. Obviously the carrier has to be raised up to do that. We have lots of process and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.